You scratch this off, it's going to be a code, and then you go...
Thank you, thank you. Hey guys, what up? This is your boy Jay. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to do a laptop prank on my niece JJ. She's entering a career where she needs a laptop that's going to help her communicate with her clients. And with her current laptop, she has a Chromebook. And the problem with the Chromebook is it's not going to support Zoom after December of this year, 2020. So she really needs something that's really gonna give her a lot of peace of mind. She likes to have things taken care of ahead of time, and she really needs one by tomorrow. I hooked her up with a very good laptop. Got it right here, check it out. Got it right here, NV360. So the prank is gonna be is I already have my own HP laptop myself. I'm going to swap out that new laptop with mine, hand it to her. When she opens it, she's not going to see the brand new laptop. She's going to see the old one. But she doesn't know what mine looks like. What mine looks like is it has like a missing key, which I really need to have fixed up soon. And it's not the same color as that. It's straight up silver. This prank is going to get her. Hopefully it works out. I just made it home. Now I got to swap it out. Put mine in. So here is my HP laptop. Open that up. Open this up, and there she goes. Take that out. Be ready for this laptop prank. Let's go. I'm outside of her apartment building right now. I just got here. She's literally panicking right now because I'm not there yet. Her actual new laptop is right in there.
This is packing that.
Hey you! Hey, you got a very big boner.
This is big. Wait, how many inches is this? Hey, I thought it was gonna be smaller.
No,
14.
it's 2.6. Wait, what the heck? What happened? Wait, why? Huh? Dude, why is there a key missing? Not cool.
Okay. Is this not the right one?
It should be.
Did you check before you left?
I mean, it's brand new. It should be the right one. We are closed up. Shit. What time you have to be up in the morning?
10. Before 10.
Shit.
My orientation is at 10.
Wow.
And this is like the new one?
Yeah, this is a new one. This is like the best one HP has in terms of laptops.
I mean, maybe you should, like, I don't know. I would complain and be like, look, as soon as I open it, this is supposed to be new. It's missing a keyboard. That's not cool.
And that's a dent?
They
Shit.
pulled one over on you.
I have never experienced anything like this. They're closed now. They don't answer any calls now either after hours. So the best thing we can do is like take this all back tomorrow morning. But then you need it first thing in the
I
morning.
mean, I'm just gonna have to call my mom and ask if I can borrow her laptop or something.
You're not panicking, right?
I have orientation tomorrow. Like, I literally woke up early today to, like, get all this situated. I went to Best Buy, tried to, like, compare, and
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look what we found, man. It's not even the right one.
What is it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be that one.
You gotta send it back?
And no choice.
Yeah.
It's like got a missing key on it too.
It's black, right? And that's not black.
You get a bogus one.
You, like, they came with a dent, missing key piece. You pay all that money
Right.
Yeah,
up front, and you give the wrong computer. Like,
Especially if we were
acceptable.
still open, I would like sprint over there like if we were still open.
I don't know. I would tell him, like, this is unacceptable. Like, how are you gonna spend that much money for not even getting the right computer, and it's missing a key and it's dented. Like, especially if this is like the best one you said, like, you can do that to your customers. Let me call my mom and tell her I'm gonna need her laptop. Maybe my dad can drop it off.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Jay.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
I mean, luckily I have that, and my mom has a laptop I could borrow, so.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Well, Uncle came over with a laptop. It looks really cool, and when we opened it, they gave him the wrong freaking laptop. It has a dent, and it's missing a key, like a keyboard key. Like, they did him real bogus.
Ain't that crazy? Like, who does that? How did that happen?
I told him he should, like, when he goes back and, like, you know, like, I would tell him, like, how are you, as a customer, this, like, not acceptable, like it's missing a key, it's dented, it's not even the right computer, and spending all that money, you know what I mean? Like, that's not okay. I have orientation tomorrow, like, that's not cool. It's not the right color, it's missing a key, like, what, missing a keyboard, like, if you're gonna spend that much money, like, as a customer.
So what's she gonna do now?
I got no choice but to bring it back tomorrow when I go to work.
She needs it for tomorrow.
Exactly, that's the thing. That's why I'm like, if they were still open, I would go back over there.
I don't know. Can I borrow? Am I able to borrow your laptop? I mean, if I really need to drive to you, I mean, it sucks, but.
I use my laptop for what do you call? I'm not using my laptop. I'm using my phone tomorrow for work.
Totally pulled that so far. Totally pulled that. I can't believe she actually fell for that. Bring this in. That is so funny. Show your mom what laptop that you found in there. Like, take a snapshot.
Okay.
Got him! Got him!
Mom. Mom. You're not gonna have a brother by the end of the night.
Actually, I was in on it.
Wow, that's not even funny. Do you know how my blood pressure increased?
Yep.
That's why you filmed her.
If you can edit my apartment not being in this,
Oh,
that's not cool.
Did you see her face the whole time?
Oh my god. Oh, my heart is beating fast right now.
I love you, Jay.
I did tell your uncle that you will have a meltdown.
I was on the verge of crying, to be honest. I was about to cry.
You're crying right now.
My eyes are a little watery.
But I was
Okay, goodbye, Mom. I'm gonna figure out this laptop now.
Here's the real laptop.
Love ya. Oh my. You know what?
I love you.
I wish I wasn't so gullible and would have known why.
I love you.
I was heated. I was like, ooh, if I could go. Oh, I think I just had like a mini heart attack.
Say hello to your new laptop, Jay.
Yay! Whose laptop is that?
Mine.
Oh my god.
I sold it pretty good, didn't I?
Yes!
I should be an
was
actor.
like, oh my god, I need to figure out how to freaking find a new way. Wow, what the heck? Oh my god, my heart is still hurting.
Tough love, right, Jay?
No, that's bogus. This is huge. Now you gotta help me install whatever I need to do. Oh my. My heart. Oh boy. I think I just like lost 10 years of my life.
I'm glad we didn't reach the crying point. That's probably
I was about to, but I was waiting until you were to leave to go home, and then I would have started crying. Man, if I had the time, I was like, I'm gonna go to your job. Oh, I told my mom, I was like, it's on and popping. Hey, so did you put that tape on there by yourself to make it seem like petty? Bogus.
So actually, with the original taping was
Yeah.
HP's. I cut it right there, and then I added a packaging tape to make it look like it was never opened.
You got me. Dated June 2018.
That was awesome, man.
A lot of-
That is gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Got the reaction, got the prank, all on tape.
Well, I wish I didn't look like a chicken nugget. I'm looking ratchet.
You look like Mia Khalifa.
That's rude. No. No.
Hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this prank. Give it a thumbs up. What's the rest, Jay? What's the rest, Jay?
What's the rest? What?
Like, comment.
Oh, like, comment, and subscribe.
You heard her. You heard her. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Comment what prank I should do next, even if it means getting her again.
No.
Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell.
I look like a thumb. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Do your thing. I'm really tired.
A thumb.
I look like a thumb.
Let's get that photoshopped in. Oh, no, Jay. You gotta do one of these, Jay. You gotta do one of these.
I don't know what that means. I'm not doing that.
It's a heart.
That's a heart. That's some Asian. Oh, that's like. Oh, that's some cool Asian K-pop.
The K-pop
Hey.
heart. Till next time, guys. WeirdoJay out.
Bye.
Bye.